Hello and good day. So I will be in Atlanta, Georgia this Saturday, March 11th. So if anyone needs any help, you can contact me, you can reach out to me, and we can see if we can connect. I'll be going to help some families out. Now also every Sunday I do my live prayers on TikTok. Been very successful with these prayers. Yeshua has been delivering people on these lives. Some people have also been experiencing healing in their bodies. The link will be at the bottom left hand corner. It's going to say live event. You just click on that. That's how you register. It's absolutely free, and that does start at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and I do that every Sunday. So moving into my story. So yes, I'll be going to help some families out in Atlanta, Georgia. So one of the families I'll be helping is a young lady that someone has put witchcraft on her. So she's been experiencing a lot. She also has like the Jezebel spirit and the spirit of Leviathan that has attached to her as well. And these spirits have attached through like her lifestyle. So I'll be going and I'll be helping her. So she's experiencing like a lot of depression, a lot of anxiety, just like negative thoughts, hearing voices, and these demons are just tormenting her. They're also causing like a bridge between her and her husband, because she has like a spiritual spouse. So these spirits are like talking through her. It's making noises, making her body move, and like back and forth and jerking motions. So this is just something that they're doing, and it's just making her relationship with her husband very, very difficult. She's not able to sleep. Now, one thing about the spirits, a lot of the times they like to attack like late at night when you're trying to rest, because they know you won't be productive. Of course, if you're tired, you don't have energy. So this is something that they do. Now, also, she has a young daughter, and I believe her daughter is somewhere around 2 or 3, and her daughter is not really talking, and they really don't know why. So this could also be a case that the demon is lashing out at her daughter, because demons will do that. They can be attached to you, but they will lash out at your loved ones. So every time her husband tries to come around and get close, the spirits are automatically started talking and blurting out things, so he won't get close. And like I said, it's causing a gap or a bridge between them. So I'll be going there to help her. Yeshua will free her. These demons will be removed. Have a great day.